place here in Uri. So guys, for a while, enjoy watching, and I don't want to disturb you. Enjoy watching my channel. Hi guys! We stop here in the canton of Swiss, of course located in Switzerland, and there is a beautiful views here, so I want to show you a little bit. Here in the Lake of Lucerne. As you can see, opposite the mountain, we call this the canton of Rutli. This mountain middle on Lake of Lucerne in the Silisberg municipality of the Swiss canton of Uri. It's beautiful, right? It is the site of the ruthless war in traditional Swiss historiography, and this is the well-known of their um, heroes, William Tell. Very historical place here. And then the oath marking the foundation of original Swiss Confederacy as a beginning of the Switzerland. As such, it is treated as national monument of Switzerland. And you can see also there is a rock there that there is something written, but it's too far, so I cannot see it very well. So guys, enjoy watching my channel, Lisa Vlog Switzerland. Honey, look at this, honey. Hi guys! Now we are here at last in Isenthal. But before we go upstairs, we need to ride on a cable. It's called uh, Gischenen. The cable is a St. Jacob Gischenen. We need to ride. As you can see, the very beautiful and pink color of their cable. It's like scaring because it's very little, but oh, Switzerland made very well. So, guys, later we will ride there, and we discover the wide range of offerings on the Gitschenen, and you will find beautiful hikes in every season. You can go skiing or snowboarding cross country, skiing, or treat yourself to one of the restaurants and inns, the perfect destination for the family. At the 16th millimeter above sea level, you will find the Gießen Sun Terrace far away from car, noise, and stress. To do this, take the post bus on your own car to terminal, going to Isenthal. The journey up there is an adventure in itself. In St. Jacob, you change to the cable car and reach Gitschenen after an 8-minute ride. So it's only provided by cable car on our foot, but it's too far going upstairs. There is no road leading there. High above the Isenthal, you can now enjoy the peace and beauty of the nature. So guys, let's go. Wow, it's beautiful. Hello? Hello, wie geht es dir? Ist Freshen Angli? Angli? Ah? Sprechen Guten Tag. Sprechen Deutsch Angle. It's very we're up. No. Ay, pag mabastos ka. Honey, I want to introduce which place this one. Here, honey.